Alright, the highlights from Friday. This will be the last highlight video for a week. We are going on Thanksgiving break, taking the week off. Low volume week anyway. The market's closed on Thursday. It'll be, I think, probably pretty dead on Friday and Wednesday as well. So really don't feel like I'm missing too much. So good time to take a break. So anyway, this is the last highlight video for a while till the Monday after Thanksgiving. So here we go. This is Coco, one of the educational stocks. These are daily candles, big sell off here, but then it based and a nice pop there, but it couldn't get going. Well, it looked like some shorts jumped in trying to push this back to lows a couple days ago. Then this was yesterday's candle. When we found this last night, I called this at 454. If it broke this candle's high, I said that could get it through, or at least to retest 469 and maybe through that, okay? So that was the idea. And then here it is using 5-minute candles. One of our members re-alerted me this morning. I was watching something else, and this, let me get my drawing tool. This, I'm going to show you the opening candle today. Most of this is yesterday. Here's yesterday's high. These are 5-minute candles. There's today's opening candle. And it looked like this when one of our members, James from our chat room, so thank you, James, again. You made me some nice money today. Said, hey, Mike, do you still like Coco? And the reason he was pointing it out is because he realized it was near a high of day break. And we had, this is just what we teach to look for. We had our catalyst price of 454, yesterday's high, just to the left, or a break of yesterday's high just to the left. So when he pointed it out and I looked at it, went ahead and put out an official call. I said if it breaks the high of the day, 452, if it gets to 452, we're going to take it because we know 454, which is about up here, would be a break of yesterday's high. And I already showed you the daily chart. So we liked it over yesterday's high. So it gave us a great entry. 452 was the call. Worst case stop right below these recent lows, 443. So 9 cents risk. And the very next candle we hit 452. And the very next candle after that right through yesterday's high. And a couple more candles and all the way to that 470 I talked about. And it really held up pretty well after that and made kind of a late day move all the way to 483. So that's almost a 7% move here from right here to up here within within a few hours. And very tight stop. So James, thank you. Another great example of the teamwork in there. And that was a great alert. Actually made a call on GM. I never thought I'd call this one again, even though it, even after they announced, an IPO. This is just a scary company. But GM opened yesterday with their IPO, sold off all day, sold off again today, and then I had this tight base right here. So I said over this base could make a run at the high of the day. This isn't a huge trade, but 34.01, I said could make a run at the high of the day, 34.25, and maybe some continuation above that. And there you can see right there, over the course of 15 minutes from 34.01, it went up 30 cents. Again, that's a nice trade, and it didn't hold, but still a great low risk trade there because my worst case stop at 34.01 was about 33.90. So about 11 cents, and it went up 30 cents. And as we teach our members, anytime you get a nice a dime move or more, you at least want to move your stop to break even and certainly start scaling out in parts. So had some other stuff in there today, but nothing great. I played a couple of the solars today, but they're not worth bragging about, and I'm getting ready to head off to take a week away from trading. So again, during that week, we're running a half price lifetime special, and you can find it on the website. I'm not going to go into it right now, but anytime we take a vacation, we always run a special because we know we're not going to be there. So it certainly seems only prudent to offer a discount for somebody joining, and there's going to be no chat room for a week. So anyway, we will be back and up and running the Monday after the Thanksgiving week. So we'll talk to you then, and hopefully have a nice highlight video for you that Monday night. Have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll talk to you later.